Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So we're back on site and we have some terrible news. However, I can't share with you right now. It even makes sense to share with you because I can't see what is terrible news to me with on site. In the last vlog, hope you guys saw the last message I left on the screen and made a share. So I'm going to show you the reinforcement and also I think we see the parapet for today's vlog. Today's vlog might be a quick little one because I can't find my camera charger and for order one of that right now I will take like 2 weeks. So we'll take a stroll, see what go on, and we're going to update. You see fam? So you have corn, I don't know what else, let me see callaloo, let me see pepper. You don't know can't left the herbs. Alright guys. Don't mind the guinea pin on my mouth. I have one guinea pin on my mouth. But we're up on the slab. We're gonna have a quick look at it. And take everything I may say by law. And judge me based on everything I may say. Steel work is one of my favorite parts of the work. And just judge me and take notes. Let's go. So this is our slab. It's incomplete at the moment because this is one of the few left, and this is the furthest in terms of completion in comparison to the few left. No other tradesman, builder, contractor can tell me nothing. When it comes down to over support your buildings, people. Don't make nobody cast your buildings without over support, irrespective of where the builder say how much housing do like that. Don't continue that myth. Now if you can see, for those who don't know what is over support is basically the top bars. So you have top and bottom. Cool? So the top bars are the over support, and as you can see within the beam, the top bars run on top of the beam, the bottom bars are below the beam. Over support is for the punching shear force. So you kinda restrict the punching force here with a member on top. So in this slab in particular, and this is referred as a suspended slab, the roof slab. This acts as like a knife, and this helps in a crack or run straight through the concrete, the over support. And as you can see, the over support run from here so to a third of the span. So this slab is over supported to a 1/3 span, meaning a third over there, so a third. So the slab is divided into 3. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So over support, and I need none in the middle here, so. And it goes for all the 4 sides. I believe that one here then call a 2-way slab. The blocks are used as the spacers. And we have one major problem. Don't know if you guys pick up on it already, but steel can't respond steel. So you need something to sit on, which are the chairs. And the chairs should be under the top bar that separates the top bar from the bottom bar, and they're supposed to be a meter apart. And I am seeing no chairs whatsoever. Yesterday somebody asked me if cut banana for them, and them I tell me to cut like half a tree and make a tree drop down. But I never understand. It take me about half an hour to figure out. Come here and say, you want me cut down the tree or not? You must say, yo.
You want to chop it tree too, you want to chop it.
Yeah, you want to slice it. Yeah. And then when you come down, you cut off for you.
And when you done, you cut off that, then you finish chop down the tree.
Boy, I never understand at all. Man, they help me all along. Man say, yo, I forgot to the country you go. I say, yo, easy, man. I don't understand. Come in one cut down in tree, so I try, I want to make me cut, you know. You say measure twice and cut once. So I ask him a million times, what is it that you want me to do? Because so like you want me to cut down in tree. He say, no, man, just cut piece and make it drop. And then I do the rest, wood fire. Then this no wet, man, this not go.
Yeah, man.
It not go light.
Yeah, man, I get light, man. So my wood they dry and I get much I get one basket. Yeah, you just like no light.
Every other man me still have stove and certain.
Yeah, stove.
So why you what this?
Every man know
Boy, just alright guys, so I'm at a different unit. And that one here they're a little bit further. So apparently that one here is the furthest one. However, that one is full of faults in terms of reinforcement that has to be addressed. But I'm going to show you them first before I call upon the contractor. Yeah. But I need you guys to get out on the head. Say over support is not for load. Say if you're building heavy or whatever you need over support or all of that. Just because I name it over support, it just sound like you're building a face extra load and you want to resist it. Over support of this shear. Now that one here, as you can see, I have all of the over support on the outside, none within. That for just run come straight across to out there, so and all of them, as I say, over all of the beams if you have the over support. The end of life. Some of them can go on with, especially off here, so not gonna work. So we're gonna work on getting these corrected. As you can see, the other one them now sorted as yet, and then currently I work on the beam over there, so if you finish off the belt beam. But this have to fix because people them pay them good up money, and put it on side for a reason, you know. Earn the money at least for this month. The unit I'm gonna go up on at first, which is that unit, you guys them say cheers easier for put in afterwards. So them over there do them thing, talk to them about it. Them wanna have in cheers and then conduits, but they need like a guidance and a command stuff. Reinforcing the slab. See what me that explain to over here, so with the quarter span deck, 1/3 deck. You see the shot compared to this total span, this is wrong. As simple as it look, it's wrong, and it can cause problem in the future. This can be a difference, or cause a difference within a house lasting 50 years versus probably 30. Just this, and them add up, trust me. Simple as it look, them add up. So people just do it good and done, please. If it take longer, just ensure say it is done good at the end of the day, and the name live on if you're doing good. Some finished product upon the parapet. Say finish wherever we are go down Indian, cause them still a work in progress. So I go down there see what I go take in what I go. You know the type of trade man them I'm rate. One them were willing to learn. See one them I always tell how much years in a construction for, how much this, how much that. Can't bother with them. You see one them will listen and willing to learn any day a week, man. And if they don't know them, I do me work with you. You know, work your way up there. You dig? Even though I'm charge off of your piece still.
You want to take more concrete, you know?
So this is the parapet.
We do private work, you know. I know that's the man.
School, man.
Because everything we have black up in place, I can't just choke me, you know.
School, man. So it's a parapet. But then call a wall again, that big wall. They still just call it a parapet wall.
A parapet wall, they call it, it's not too Indian. A parapet wall.
Yeah, they still call it a parapet wall, yo.
A part wall, it's going on a parapet wall.
If what?
Part wall is, I know they put on shark back on it also.
Style, man.
What kind of style? I'm going to see shark as you come up out and see, and you see that point up out of them.
Shark fin.
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, give it a style, man. That may I tell this man, I say, give it a style.
What kind of style?
Dead. Give it a style, man. Like a curve appeal. Yeah. Cold leg of them sitting there, man.
Right now, you front piece, you have to hard up more on that. You know, see, I base concrete.
Got this, isn't it?
What you mean?
You just look strong. What does that mean, strong?
I not just look strong. I best concrete.
Why?
Concrete
I bet you couldn't tell me why.
Soupy concrete, no good. That's everything. Too much water in it.
Alright.
Why this a crack up?
Listen, when I talk about soup, why this is one of the best one?
I'm on the concrete, you stand up, man. So, yeah.
What is that? Why that is the best one? I bet you can't tell me.
I soon tell you.
Bet you can't substantiate the argument.
I soon tell you, man.
You can't tell me. You just look on you and say, look tough, so it's tough. So you say good. What is it? Why is it good?
When you take it put in there, you see nothing boxes of food and you're frying.
Full of honeycomb and weird things.
Honeycomb, whole rough cast better.
Honeycomb, whole rough cast better.
Soupy concrete good?
Soupy? Too much water no good.
Easy to clear out the boxes.
Soupy.
Soupy concrete don't go pretty now.
Easy to clear.
So guys, this video is just a quick look at one for show, as promised, the parapet and the reinforcement. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you learn something new, appreciate the content, thumbs up. Them time that even it's 10 minutes to 6. I think me I go now. So Team Ismash, hit the like, subscribe if you're new. I am out.